हेलो एवरीवन। पार्ट 4 वीडियो के साथ क्लास 10th चैप्टर 1 केमिकल रिएक्शंस एंड इक्वेशंस। सो दिस इज पार्ट 4 वीडियो, same chapter. In part 3 video I have discussed the type of reactions, chemical reactions. We have came to know combination reaction, then understood what is the combination reaction, and the several examples were given there in part 3 video. So this video is for second type of chemical reaction. It is known as the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is a type of reaction where a compound is broken to two or more compounds or elements. एक कंपाउंड दो या दो से ज्यादा एलिमेंट्स में और कंपाउंड्स में ब्रेकअप हो जाता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज द डीकंपोजिशन रिएक्शन. टूट जाना. कॉम्बिनेशन में क्या होता था? दो कंपाउंड आपस में कंबाइन करके एक नया सब्सटेंस फॉर्म कर रहे हैं, बट हियर एक सब्सटेंस दो या दो से ज्यादा सब्सटेंस में ब्रेकअप हो रहा है. सो डीकंपोजिशन रिएक्शन इज रिगार्डेड एज द reverse of combination or the opposite of the combination reaction. So let's see what is the decomposition reaction with some examples, the subcategory of the decomposition reaction. Let's see. Decomposition reaction in which one compound breaks into two or more elements or compound. It is the general reaction. Suppose a compound is AB and after the reaction it break up into A and B. So this is the general representation of decomposition reaction. Or the example is 2H2O water. With the help of electricity, the electrolysis is done. It is broken into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So this reaction or equation clearly show the breakup of a single compound into two compounds, two elements, two gases. Decomposition reaction are further categorized into these types. These are three subtypes. First one is known as the thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal, that means with the help of heat. Thermometer, heat को measure करने वाला meter, that is the thermometer. Thermal, those reactions which takes place with the help of those decomposition reactions which takes place with the help of heat, known as the thermal decomposition reaction. And the second type is photolytic. Photo means light, with the help of sunlight. And the third is known as the electrolytic decomposition reaction with the help of electricity. So decomposition reaction is further categorized into three more types: thermal decomposition reaction, photolytic decomposition reaction, and electrolytic decomposition reaction. Let's see first type, thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reactions are those type of decomposition reactions in which one compound is broken down into two or more substances with the help of heat. So that's why this reaction is known as the thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction कैसे होता है? On heating. If you want to write the definition, so same definition, those decomposition reactions which takes place with the help of heat or taken place by supplying the heat. Heat supply करने से जो decomposition होता है, जो substance टूट जाते हैं, that type of decomposition reaction is known as the thermal decomposition reaction. These are few examples here I have written already to save the time. These are, first reaction is when calcium carbonate, this is CaCO3, it is also known as the marble. When calcium carbonate is heated up, it broken down into calcium oxide. ये सब्सटेंस हम पिछले वीडियो में पढ़ चुके हैं, क्विकलाइन चूना, एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस इज इवेपोरेट रिलीज होती है। यहां आप देखें एक कंपाउंड हमने लिया और यहां पे दो कंपाउंड फॉर्म हो गए। सो दिस इज द डीकंपोजिशन रिएक्शन because it is taken place with the help of, all of these reactions are taken place with the help of heat. This is the sign for the heat. Second, when zinc carbonate is supplied with the heat, it forms zinc oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Again the same process is taken place, broken down into two substances, single substance is here. Sorry, I have written the states already here. Physical state. Next is iron sulfate. It is actually green in color, pale green in color. It forms iron third oxide, iron 2 oxide, and plus sulfur dioxide gas, Fe2O3, plus sulfur dioxide gas और प्लस सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड गैस। यहां भी एक सिंगल कंपाउंड किसमें ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, किसमें ब्रेकअप हो रहा है भाई, ये भी तीन कंपाउंड्स में ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, टूट रहा है। नेक्स्ट लेड नाइट्रेट, ये व्हाइट क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड है, PbNO3 होल ट्वाइस, एक सिंगल सब्सटेंस इज ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू 3 सब्सटेंसेस। लेड ऑक्साइड, साथ में ब्राउन कलर की गैस निकलती है, नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड, और ऑक्सीजन गैस रिलीज होती है, इट इज कलरलेस। नेक्स्ट पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट KNO3, अगेन ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू 2 सब्सटेंसेस, KNO2 plus O2. Decomposition reaction taken place with the help of heat. HgO broken down into mercury and oxygen. So these are the examples of thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction again taken place with the help of heat. Now स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए, इसका समझ में आ चुका होगा आपको। Decomposition reaction is a reaction which taken place, those decomposition reaction which taken place with the help of heat are known as the thermal decomposition reaction. Next type of reaction, decomposition reaction, is photolytic decomposition reaction. That means taking place with the help of light, sunlight. Photolytic decomposition reaction, photochemical or photolytic decomposition reaction, ये किससे होता है बेटा, with the help of sunlight, with the help of sunlight. So those decomposition reaction taking place with the help of sunlight are known as photolytic decomposition reaction. Example, let's see the example. 2AgCl, silver chloride, with the help of sunlight, जब सिल्वर क्लोराइड को हम सनलाइट में रखते हैं, it is broken down into silver and plus chlorine gas. Again decomposition is taking place but with the help of sunlight. Next 2AgBr, silver bromide, with the help of, again with sunlight, the same product, plus Br gas. So these are two examples for photolytic decomposition reaction taking place with the help of sunlight. When silver chloride is kept or silver bromide is kept under the sun, it is broken down into silver and chlorine or bromine gases. Next type of reaction is decomposition reaction is electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic decomposition reaction with the help of electricity, by electric current. It is also known as electrolysis. Example is when water passed with the electric current, it broke down into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So this decomposition is taking place with the help of electricity. So this decomposition reaction is known as the electrolytic decomposition reaction. Clear? AgCl सिल्वर क्लोराइड एक ऐसा ये रिएक्शन है, पहले आप लोगों के समय तो नहीं है, अब हमारे समय में पहले फोटोग्राफी जो होती थी, पहले उसका ब्लूप्रिंट बनता था, फिर उससे फोटो डेवलप की जाती थी। उस फोटो को डेवलप करने के लिए इस सिल्वर क्लोराइड का हम यूज करते हैं। सिल्वर क्लोराइड या ये सिल्वर ब्रोमाइड, दीज आर केप्ट इन द डार्क बॉटल, इन द डार्क में रखते हैं। क्यों? बिल्कुल क्लियर है। इफ इट गेट समहाउ द सनलाइट, इट विल डीकम्पोज, ये डीकम्पोज हो सकता है। सो इसको बचाने के, टू अवॉइड द डीकम्पोजिशन ऑफ सिल्वर क्लोराइड और सिल्वर ब्रोमाइड, दीज आर केप्ट इन द डार्क बॉटल, इन द डार्क, अंधेरे में ही रखते हैं, टू अवॉइड द डीकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन और टू decompose. So these are a few examples of decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction, once again I am revising, decomposition reactions are the reactions in which a single compound is broken down into two or more than two substances or elements or the compounds. Further categorized into three categories: type, thermal decomposition reaction with the help of heat, CaCO3 is equals to ROCAO plus CO2. Clear? Next, photolytic decomposition reaction with the help of sunlight. 2AgCl is equals to, in the presence of sunlight, broken down into silver and chlorine gas. Next, electrolysis with the help of electric current. 2H2O, on supplying electric current, it broken down into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So this is whole about the second type of chemical reaction known as decomposition reaction. In next part, we will see displacement reaction in part 5. Displacement reaction, before to understand what is the displacement reaction, we have to know what are the reactivity series of metals. हम बात करेंगे रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज ऑफ मेटल्स की, कुछ मेटल्स की, रिएक्टिव मेटल्स की. आफ्टर देन वी विल डिस्कस द थर्ड टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन, डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. तब तक के लिए थैंक्स. पार्ट 5 में डिस्कस करते हैं डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. लाइक इट.